question, no?
Prabhuji, I say why the person deviates from the Krishna consciousness. The person knows that Krishna is supreme personality, but why the person deviates from the Krishna's devotion services?
So if you know Krishna is God and you're deviating, it's only because he's motivated by desire to enjoy the senses. Because of kama, lust only, Arjuna. Krishna says, although he is knowing why he is deviating,
Yes, Prabhuji.
correct? It is said in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is, Arjuna is asking this question. So here it says, in Sanskrit, yata kena prayuktoyam papam charati purushaha anityamapi avarshneya balat eva nijo niyojitaha. You want to read this?
Arjuna said, O descendant of Vrishni, by what is one impelled to sinful acts, even unwillingly, as if engaged by force?
So why is he forced to do this? Of course, the Lord replies. You want to read? Carry
The
on.
Supreme Personality of Godhead said, It is lust only, Arjuna, which is born of contact with the material mode of passion and later transformed into wrath, and which is the all devouring sinful enemy of this world.
Good point.
When a living entity comes in contact with a material creation, his eternal love for Krishna is transformed into lust in association with the mode of passion. Or, in other words, the sense of love of God becomes transformed into lust, as milk in contact with sour tamarind is transformed into yogurt. Then again, when lust is unsatisfied, it turns into wrath. Wrath is transformed into illusion, and illusion continues the material existence. Therefore, lust is the greatest enemy of the living entity. And it is lust only which induces the pure living entity to remain entangled in the material world. Wrath is the manifestation of the mode of ignorance. These modes exhibit themselves as wrath and other corollaries. If therefore If therefore the mode of passion, instead of being degraded into the mode of ignorance, is elevated to the mode of goodness by the prescribed method of living and acting, then one can be saved from the degradation of wrath by spiritual attachment. The Supreme Personality of Godhead expanded himself into many for his ever increasing spiritual bliss, and the living entities are parts and parcels of this spiritual bliss. They also have a partial independence, but by misuse of their independence, when their service attitude is transformed into the propensity for sense enjoyment, they come under the sway of lust. This material creation is created by the Lord to give facility to the conditioned souls to fulfill these lustful propensities, and when completely baffled by prolonged lustful activities, the living entities begin to inquire about their real position. This inquiry is the beginning of the Vedanta Sutras, wherein it is said, Athato Brahma Jigyasa. One should inquire into the Supreme. And the Supreme is defined in Srimad Bhagavatam as Janmadhyasya Yato Anvayat Itaratascha, or the origin of everything is the Supreme Brahman. Therefore, the origin of lust is also the Supreme. If therefore lust is transformed into love for the Supreme, or transformed into Krishna consciousness, or in other words, desiring everything for Krishna, then both lust and wrath can be spiritualized. Hanuman, the great servitor of Lord Ram, exhibited his wrath by burning the golden city of Ravan. But by doing so, he became the greatest devotee of the Lord. Here also, in Bhagavad Gita, the Lord induces Arjuna to engage his wrath upon his enemies for the satisfaction of the Lord. Therefore, lust and wrath, when they are employed in Krishna consciousness, become our friends instead of our enemies.
So see, this is the point. So when you try
Yes.
to enjoy why you are forced to enjoy? Because of karma and growth, which
Yes,
comes
Prabhuji.
from Rajagun and Tamagun. So we must learn how to overcome these three gunas. If you take up the Krishna conscious process and chant, then automatically you go above this Rajagun and Tamagun. At least you will stay in the mode of goodness. Hmm?
Yes.
Otherwise, always you will be perplexed by this karma and this krodha and this lobha and this matsarya, moha and mada finally become crazy. Hmm? Yes.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hmm. So that's why we need to practice becoming close to the Lord by chanting every day Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Rama
Hare.
Hare Hare.
Hare.
Then no lust will come near us. Hmm? Yes.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. So I think you have any other questions? Uh, Otherwise, I think we'll have to stop here for today. Guess
Prabhuji, according to Shastra, what is the laziness?
what is the what?
According to Shastra, what is the laziness?
Laziness.
According to Shastra. Yes, Prabhuji, yes.
Laziness means that you don't want to serve God. That's laziness. Hmm? When you go to the mode of passion, ignorance, one of the quality of mode of ignorance that you become lazy.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Ah, you become complacent, you become lazy, you live like a parasite. These all are the mode of ignorance.
Yes. Prabhuji, Prabhuji, in a Kali Yuga, most of the person is a lazy. This is the effect of the Kali Yuga.
Yes, manda sumanda matayo manda bhagyo padraha. Manda means lazy,
Yes.
misguided, unlucky, always disturbed. These are the qualities of the person. Kali Yuga. Hmm?
Prabhuji, the only medicine is the Harina mantra.
Yes, that will make you productive.
Prabhuji, one more question that Prabhuji, I meet a person, my friend, do Krishna consciousness, means the chanting, the do chanting more
Hmm.
than 16 rounds per day. But
Hmm.
he suffering disease. So this is the last life karma. So my friend is suffering from the disease.
Yes, maybe the disease is finishing him up all his bad karma. But if you start chanting, if you are initiated, then all your karma is finished. Time of initiation, your body is become spiritual. So if the person is
Prabhuji,
suffering something, it's due to maybe his previous karma. Hmm?
Prabhuji, physical presence of the spiritual master is required or not?
Without spiritual master, there's no spiritual life.
I say, Prabhuji, I say the physical presence of the spiritual master is required for the devotee or not. Like a Prabhupada. Prabhupada is not
Yes,
the physical present with us, but we
but
follow the Prabhupada instruction.
yes, so that is as good. As long as you follow the Vani, then is good. Instruction is when the person is not physically around, then we take his instruction direct. Hmm?
Prabhuji, one more question that when I cultivate the Krishna consciousness in my neighborhood and my neighborhood and my friends and our friend circle, and the some ISKCON devotee says you are not follow Krishna because you are not follow the you are not follow the initiation and you are not follow the Prabhupada because Prabhupada is not available physically, and how the person gets diksha from the sorry, what would they say? The Prabhupada is not like Prabhupada is not living. Prabhupada is not alive. How you get the diksha from Prabhupada? This is not possible. They say the many wrong things. I don't say Prabhuji. You say you. They say the Prabhupada is not available physically. So how the Ritvik devotee get diksha?
So, spiritual life is based on connection to spiritual master. Connection
And
to spiritual master means that you are connected to him to get knowledge. It's not that some physical thing. The real thing is to go to the spiritual master to get knowledge. And it's not Srila Prabhupada is not still giving knowledge.
yes, Prabhupada giving knowledge.
So right now you need to connect to the parampara. So Prabhupada is not physically around. Before he left, he has given instruction how to do that. So he has appointed some Ritvik representative, the Acharya, to act on his behalf when he is not here physically present. So when
Yes,
you connect to him through this representative, then you are part of Srila Prabhupada in the parampara,
yes,
correct? So they
correct,
are
Prabhuji.
thinking that Prabhupada body is material. So
Yes,
because they think the spiritual master is an ordinary person, they are committing very big Vaishnava aparat. So when they
and
don't obey the order of what Prabhupada has given, they become useless.
yes, Prabhuji. And Prabhuji, they says you are don't obey the Prabhupada, including me. They say that you are not with the Prabhupada, and you go to the Narka because you not get diksha by the the, the our devotee our diksha guru, and he say that you give me the sastric evidence. So Prabhuji,
Why we should give? You ask them to give the evidence that we are going to hell. Ask them to give by following spiritual master and you're going to hell. Ask them to show the evidence.
because we
Why
do
I
the
should show the evidence? You show me how I'm going to hell.
hmm,
You prove to me. If
yes,
I'm
Prabhuji.
following my spiritual master and I'm going to go to hell, you show me some evidence. Huh? Nobody go to hell by following the I show this whole class, no? By going through Sadhu Shastra, Guru, you don't go to hell, correct?
Yes, Prabhuji.
By disobeying only we go to hell, is it not?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah? And these people are treating Prabhupada as an ordinary person. For that, he says, anyone who treats the Guru as an ordinary person, then is committing big offense.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah?
Yes, yes.
See, yeah. One should not think the spiritual master is an ordinary person.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Huh? So we are
Yes.
showing everything, we are speaking, we are showing the evidence, and they are seeing so many things and with no evidence. So who should we believe?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hmm?
They deny our evidence, Prabhuji.
Anyway, I prefer to go to hell with Prabhupada than go to the spiritual world with you.
Hmm.
Understand?
And and Prabhuji, they also say the Prabhupada in the Golok Vrindavan, how you get diksha from the Prabhupada because they are not in this world.
So you don't
How,
know. So you don't know, correct?
yes,
So you learn from us how to do it. If you don't know, then you should ask us how to do it. But you can't speculate, no?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Correct?
Correct, Prabhuji.
Hmm. Similarly, Krishna is also in the Goloka Vrindavan. How you can learn anything about Krishna? Huh?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Correct?
Correct.
So these people are speculating and suggest you learn, you know. Hmm. So therefore, we should be very careful. Hmm. One who thinks the spiritual master is an ordinary person is a resident of hell. All right, so okay, I guess we have
One should
answered the
know
question.
that.
Hmm.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes.
Prabhuji, I just want to know that when we are working, when we have a free time like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, can we just chant Hare Krishna mantra without the beats because we can't carry the beats since I'm working in a hospital
You can chant with your fingers.
with my fingers? I mean, if I can count only around 50 times because not more than 50 times, is it still okay?
No, you can count with your fingers, you know.
I mean,
You
I will
can
count with my fingers by, I mean, I have
one
a time
whole.
of only one. Whenever I have to do the whole one mala, or I can be like
Better,
50, 20,
better
better,
the whole mala, 108 times.
108 times. Okay.
That is the procedure, no?
Yeah. Just wanted to ask you
Yeah,
again.
just do 108 times and then you got, if you cannot, then stop. You can carry on.
Yes.
So
Okay,
you
right.
try, huh? You try.
Okay. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Anybody else got anything else to add or share with every one of us here?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hmm.
A small question to you.
Hmm.
As you said that we can, I mean, offering milk and all, right? Sometimes we like to offer clothes to Krishna and Radhama. That time we'll buy lots of clothes and all, and we like to adore. And sometimes in the family members they do say, why do you buy so many clothes and all? I mean, how should I need to, I mean, just help me in this,
What kind of
please.
clothes you buying?
I mean, clothes for Krishna, just the normal clothes, the deity's clothes,
Deity dress, huh?
Yeah, the deity's dress. And they will
Well,
say, how many dresses you want to buy, like that. They will be keep.
go and open the wardrobe. You see how many clothes you have.
Yeah, but yeah,
Why
true.
why you have so many clothes and you have so many clothes and God should have only one cloth? What kind of
I mean,
logic is that?
yeah, it's not me. Some of
Uh,
my family members will be disturbing me.
so you tell them.
So,
So you also buy one cloth and I will also give Krishna one cloth. So fair.
yeah. I just
Yes.
needed an answer. I always argue and fight back with
When
them. I say I like to dress. I like to dress.
I
That's
drink the
why.
water, before drinking the water.
All right. So anybody have anything else to say
Thank you, Hare Krishna.
before we wrap up?
Prabhuji, I say one thing.
Yes.
Prabhuji, Prabhuji, when I drink water, sorry, Prabhuji, when I drink water, I always offer to Krishna, to offer to water to Krishna, and then I drink the water. But sometimes I forget to offer the water to Krishna. So what can I do, Prabhuji? Means I drink a 20 or 20 glass per day water, and I offer to Krishna before drinking water. But sometimes I forget 2 or 3 glasses of water without. I drink the water without offering to Krishna, and I drink the water. So Prabhuji, in this condition, what can I do? Because I say that every time I
Try to get a big jar and keep all the water there. Keep all the water and offer it first. So once you offer one time, then you can drink as many times as you can when until it is finished. You don't have to keep offering over and over again, no?
yes, so Dhanyavad Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Common sense, no? All right, so I guess I hope I have, you know, helped all of you with these questions and answers. Thank you very much for your kind participation. And if you think this is nice, maybe you can share this video to many of your friends and also try to help them understand the philosophy more soundly. So again, thank you all for your kind
Hare Krishna,
participation.
Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. All glories to all of you. Glories to
Hare
Krishna, thank you,
Prabhupada.
Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, Dandavat Pranam, all glories to Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare
Dandavat Pranam. Jai Shri Prabhupada. All glories to you.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.